Wabo wie, wabava, wabota, kere no wayage iwemina. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this Bini Learning Training. I am Uwaila Novine, your host, and I want to believe you have been getting so much value from this video. Whether you are a returning subscriber or you are a new subscriber, you are so much welcome. You may want to go to other videos that we have made in the past so that we can be on the same page. What if you also need a personal coach for yourself, for your kids? We are available for that. Just reach out to us through the contact, the number that is showing on your screen right now, and we'll be able to work with you on your preferred time. All right. So today we are talking about different types of birds in Bini language known as ahiame. Ahiame means bird in Edo language. So don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumb up, comment, ask questions, and if there are any specific topic you want us to talk about, notify us. We'll do a video on that so that you can know these things, because the goal is to teach you the Bini language and restore our cultural heritage. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe. Bird. Ayame. Ayame. Take note of the dots under the E. Fowl or ho-ho. Or ho-ho. Remember that when we were doing the consonant, we mentioned this KH and the rest. Or ho-ho. Cock, okpa, okpa. Eagle, ogon, ogon. Parrot, ohwe, ohwe. Pigeon, elehuhu, elehuhu. Guinea fowl, orome, orome. So we are going to look at the remaining ones shortly. Bat, egwen, egwen. Dove, idu, idu. Turkey, etolotolo, etolotolo. Hawk, awa, awa. Duck, ekpekpeye, ekpekpeye. Sparrow, uhaisu, uhaisu. Woodpecker, erumoyi, erumoyi. Ostrich, eringoyin, eringoyin. Vulture, ugu, ugu. We have just a few more. Let's see that shortly. Esugu-sugu, sorry. Esugu-sugu, okay. Egret, egret, obi, obi. Falcon, ahai, ahai. This is the much that we're able to take in this class. So if you have questions, please reach out to us and let's see how we can give you answers to them. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.